god. Oh, that's stairs. Yeah, that's stairs, bro. I'm about to go down the stairs and shit. Alright, I'm gonna go head out to this another park that I know of. That's not too far away. Go to a different spot, yo. And as you can tell, my personality is coming out a little bit. I gotta watch out. I gotta duck my head to these freaking branches, bro. And I also gotta get on the other side too. Yeah, cause wait, do I? No, I don't have to go on the other side. I can still cross. Yeah, low key. All right. I might regret doing this already. All right, let me just be careful getting on this shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Can I get back on like this? No, I cannot. No, I cannot. No, I cannot. Oh, no. Little bear. Look like a whole noob riding out here, bro. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. Like 28 miles an hour on 4th gear. I'm not gonna go any faster because, like, I don't know where cars are gonna come from in this, you know, section. Even though it's like a much chiller road for sure, compared to like back paths and shit. Oh my god. I was afraid to hit the grass and shit, even though it was made for that shit. I'm just not sure about the traction. At least I'm not fun though. Yeah, it'd be funny if like this shit was measured 42. Yeah, that would be hilarious. Probably should check that before you even like get on this shit. Oh shit. Oh, that's over this gentleman right here. Alright, tie that spot. That's why you always gotta watch out. Little truck going out. Can't go too crazy. Always gotta keep your guard up no matter what. They got bike on this one. Alright, this one we can. Let me see if I can try to get to 40 on this shit. Let's see. I think it's maxed out at some point though. That's what I want to say. Yeah, it's maxed out at 27. I gotta like probably like look at something like manual or something like that, because max is 28. I just realized this shit feels good though. This one feels nice as hell. Alright, we're about to pull up to the strip mall right here. Gotta get on alert. No cars on by, like coming behind me. I'm constantly look at the right. I see this car pulling up. Alright. Alright, here we go. We made it to the park. Oh, shit. This is it. Already a great ass video. Alright, we here, man. That's another reason why I got this bike, because like I don't have to rely just on pavement, bro. I can just like freaking go off-road if I want to. Oh, there's a game right there? Okay. Got a mind loop game right there. Okay. So I want to check it out. I'm alright. Doggo. Yeah, it's chill, man. Oh, shut up. Yeah, it's mad chill. Oh, low key? Hang on. Hang on. I low key want to, like, wait, is it closed? Let me see. I want to go under that bridge, actually. That looks like a lot more fun. Oh, that's definitely solid. Right, let me slow down because I don't know. Oh, yeah. Under bridge action, bro. Oh, yeah. Man, forget the pavement. And thank goodness for this throttle button. I mean, yeah, throttle button, whatever you want to call it. Because I don't have to pedal if I don't want to out here. I can be lazy about it. Alright, I'm gonna get back on the trail. Oh my god! Was my visor on the whole time? Yeah, sorry, imagine was it? Yo. Oh, wow. That's what that person was about to like. Oh shit. Thank you. Oh, that's stairs. Yeah, that's stairs, bro. I'm about to go down the stairs and shit. Alright, let me be as easy as possible. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Oops. Shit. Okay, I might fall right here. Oh. Oh. I didn't strictly stick to the trail though. But this shit took it like a damn throw. That was great. Yeah, man. Oh shit. Alright, back on the regular streets we go. Get where it's safe at. We got to worry about like constantly looking back or shit. I'm surprised I haven't fallen off this bike, bro. I'm mad surprised actually. My dumb ass didn't get off this shit. If there was one spot I could have like crashed, like it would have been like going down that hill. Or I was for sure I was gonna like go down, but yeah, I would have maintained like stability. But yeah, this seat is uncomfortable. Like the stock seat. Fucking, I'm not gonna say anything about my ass because I play around too much. I think one of the first things is for sure is get like a comfortable seat. No, actually, first thing is like a lock, so that way I can like just take a break somewhere when I'm like worrying about like watching my bike and shit. I mean, I could kind of do that. Like I can get off and I can like have it like in the front. I can like just watch it and shit like that. But after a while, like I gotta like get a lock though for sure. We got a little twist and turn. I want to include this in for this stuff. Oh, we gotta include this shit. Don't use that. The brakes. Constantly watching behind me too. Hello. I have no idea what freaking my eye, yo. Besides being a Hawthorne, of course. Ooh, hang on. I don't want to hit that wall and bust my ass. I also don't want to hit that. It's a tight ass spot. excuse me, miss. Yeah, low key. Oh shit. I crossed this busy intersection near the gas station where I almost either I almost bust my ass or I almost bust my ass. Definitely. Shit, gravelly as hell. Oh yeah, I got no choice. Oh, it's just dusty as hell. Oh shit. I'm under my breath here, bro. Shit. Oh shit. Dusty as hell. Okay. Hill right here. We got T-Pole because come on, man. Shit. I'm using a throttle too to help me out. Alright, there we go.
Yo, this is Rob back in the studio, and if you make it far, like you goated, you stay being goated, man. You're like you stay liking my content, man. And yeah, that's pretty much everything from like my all the footage from my first ride. I rode for 2 hours in total, and I did 15.5 miles, which I mean that's a lot of miles. It didn't feel like I did like 15.5 miles because I was just having a ton of fun out there. I don't know, just something about being like it's just a feeling of being free. I don't know, it's hard to describe, but I was having a blast though for sure. Um, but yeah, I'm probably gonna do like a lot of actually I am gonna do like a lot of adjustments with my setup. The footage came out really good as you can see, but a lot of wind noises and it's hard to for like for you guys to hear me because my voice is like low and I naturally talk low. So I might have to like either raise my voice or just get like a phone for like my action camera. But either way, I'm gonna make adjustments to like, make the videos be better. But I think that's pretty much everything, man. Like, hey, I appreciate you like coming back and see my second video or third video, depending on if I did the walk around on my e-bike or not. And if I haven't, that's the next video for sure. That's gonna be the third one. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and yo, like subscribe, man. Like I don't see the reason why not. Like you made it this far, you might as well just like subscribe to me, man. And while you're at it, if you haven't seen my first video, it's right here on the screen. Go check it out, man. Support your boy. And I'm gonna be out of here, man. Peace.